Unfortunately, I've seen a lot of mechanics, auto technicians with a good experience, with a good reputation, fall in this trap. Let me show you one thing. Very basic things, and if you're a shop owner, you need to be aware of this problem, because sometimes mechanics, they think they know a lot. They don't take time to check everything, double check everything, and they may cause a problem, harm themselves. This is so important. Just watch out. Look at this. I catched this yesterday. This car, we removed the transmission for, this is my customer car. I have a mechanic. He's very good experienced technician. He did remove this transmission in just probably 2 hours. Very quick. But look at this. You see, this is in the wrong spot. And something happened. If he has like a transmission jack stand and he hit this leg, push it a little bit out, this leg will come out. This may take like 2 minutes to knee down, okay? If you look at my knees, look at them. It just takes 2 minutes extra time to knee down and check all these posters and make sure they are sitting in the right place. This is in the right place. At least it's not just shaking the car and make sure the car is not shaking. Sometimes it's not shaking. You lift the car, God forbid, you hit the post and just move the post out of the place. And I've seen a lot of videos out there. People, they mess up expensive cars. Please, please follow the instruction. Don't get to the point, okay, I know everything. I know you're experienced, you know everything, but double check. This is safety concern. Sometimes as a technician, we get to the point we think we know everything. I worked in another shop. We got the 2009 Nissan Sentra. The customer came, she said the car is shaking, the check engine is blinking, and one of the other technician, he went and looked at it. He said, he didn't even hook the scanner. He said, oh, I know this. You need a coil and plugs. And my manager looked at me and said, can you check that? I had a scope, I hooked my scope, I found out he was right. But those car was the way it was built. It has an intake manifold on top of the ignition coils. You have to take them off in order to check the ignition coil and spark plugs. One ignition coil was bad, and he wants to replace 4 ignition coils and 4 spark plugs. We found the ignition coil, we replaced it, and customer was happy, he's gone. I spend money on tools. I buy scope, I buy amp probe, I buy expensive tools for the same reason. I spend hours and hours learning. I sign up for any course, any class, any training to make sure. I don't want to guess. I don't want to get to the point, oh, I know this car, I did this. And all of us know, experienced technicians, this is not true. If the car comes with the same problems, it may have a different cause. It may be the outcome is same, but maybe cause is different. Experience that if you go to my channel. I think a couple months ago when I opened this shop, I had a Toyota Prius. He came to my shop and I had a code for ABS pump. ABS pump cost me $2 grand to change it. I changed the ABS pump, put a brand new one from Toyota, and guess what? Car didn't fix. What happened? Why is not fixed? I chased down, look at the wiring diagram, the things that I supposed to do at the beginning, not after, and I found out one of the wire between the computer to the ABS pump was broken. I found it out. I just fixed it, rewired it, and car got fixed. We apologized to the customer, but he was nice enough to agree to pay that same amount to having that brand new parts in the car, and he's just gone. Never came back. I don't want to fall in these things. I don't want to just to get that point. I want to just guess, because I hurt myself. I hurt my reputation. If you're a technician, if you're a shop owner, make sure if you have a technician, you feel he's in that point, he's kind of egotistic and he feels he knows everything, you need to have a conversation. You need to have a good communication, clear path of diagnostic, inspection, safety in the shop, because these are important. These are very, very important things. You need to pay attention, otherwise you're gonna hurt yourself, you're gonna hurt your reputation, you're gonna damage people's car, you're gonna lose customer, you're gonna get bad reviews. And finally, hit the like button if you like this video. Please let me know in comment what you think about this egotistic mechanics out there, including me. I was like that. And let me know if you have any suggestion. Thank you so much.